Hi, welcome to the complete WhatsApp marketing course. In this course, you will join over 25,000 students with over 100 positive reviews to learn all you need to know on how to grow your brand and your business using WhatsApp. So, why use WhatsApp? Besides YouTube and Facebook, WhatsApp has the highest number of active users with over 2 billion active users. That's 2 billion people waiting to hear from you and what your business offers. Also, WhatsApp messages has a very high open rate and is slowly replacing email marketing. And then again, WhatsApp is amazing when it comes to customer relation and customer retention. So WhatsApp marketing is a must for all businesses and brands. So why learn from us? My name is Amadi Edmond. I'm a social media marketer with Orange Media, and I've been successfully helping market businesses and brands, including mine, on social media for over 5 years now. And I discovered that WhatsApp is a great and untapped platform for business growth and expansion. So I discovered to teach everything that I have learned and all my experiences within these 5 years to you in this course. So who is this course for? Actually, this course is for everybody. Anybody planning to start a business or a career in the near future. Anybody that already has a business or is part of a business or a brand, either small, medium, or large scale, and want to utilize WhatsApp marketing to grow that business and that brand. By the end of this course, you will be able to create a WhatsApp and WhatsApp business profile for your brand and your business. Grow your WhatsApp contacts and in turn grow customers for your business. Advertise properly on WhatsApp using the right medium and approach. Relate properly with your customers and clients and retain them for future purchases and many more. Unlike other WhatsApp marketing courses out there, this course is based on experience and everything I've learned in the course of actually marketing on WhatsApp for the past 5 years. In this course, you are going to learn how to optimize your WhatsApp profile, how to grow and increase WhatsApp contact and status or story views, how to advertise on WhatsApp, customer relation and retention on WhatsApp. If you have any question, don't forget we are always available to answer all your questions. So make sure you drop them and we'll reply as soon as possible.